It's night 3. Time to put this engine together. So we have the Aquadale Speed Shop hog ass cam for the 5.3, and we also have the dual valve springs from Texas Speed and the trunnion kit from BTR. We also we had a LS swap oil pan shipped from Summit, and we should have everything we need. And the only thing is, depending on how far we get tonight, we really need to get it in the car. So the last piece of the puzzle is going to be the drive shaft. That's what we're worried about, because we do not know if we're going to be able to have one cut in time for the race this Saturday. So we're going to put the engine together, see how far we get. Hopefully we get this thing in the car tonight.
I want to get custom on that thing a little bit. That's what I
Shit!
That's what I'm talking about.
Shit!
Oh yeah, you can get them three. Oh, that's what happened. You were upside down trying to do that shit. Like that.
Yeah.
You loosen it up, shift it over, and get all three of them in there. What happened?
I'm beyond. So, me being a cheap idiot, I'm like, we can make the truck mounts. I can just cut and weld. I got a welder. I can make this work. No, abandon that real quick. And then we laid up underneath this deal, and the drive shaft fits perfect. Everything I read is like, you go have to get it lengthened or shortened because Turbo 350 is shorter. Here we are. It's in there. I just bought us half a day right there. Oh, this Jesus, because that's going to be some other big something.
Well, that's a wrap.